So bro, hi bro, nice to
Hi.
meet you. Bro, where are you from?
I'm from Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh.
Nice bro, cool. So bro, when did you come to Bangalore?
I came last year.
Last year?
2024. Yeah.
Okay. Bro, where do you stay here in Bangalore?
Here in HSR, Sector 1.
Okay. What are the kind of tourist attractions or something that we can find in Gorakhpur?
So Gorakhpur is famous for the Gita Press publication.
Okay.
So you can visit the Gita Press.
Oh, it's the Bhagavad Gita.
Yeah, the books that they print.
Okay.
Yeah, and also we have a Gorakhnath Mandir.
Okay.
So like it's famous for the Nath Sampradaya. So whoever worship the Lord Shiva,
Okay.
they come to that temple. Apart from that, we have a lake called Ramgarh Tal, where you can ferry and you can ride a cruise. It's famous for its terracotta, so
Okay.
you can come and see that.
Okay, that's nice bro, that's nice. Okay, bro, so what are the places that you have visited in Bangalore?
The usual thing, the Kaban Bagh, Lal Bagh, and MG Road.
Right.
Apart from that, all the short treks near Bangalore, like
Right.
Savandurga, Skandagiri, Shiv Gange. That's
Okay.
how I approach it.
That's nice bro, you've gone to all these places.
Yeah.
Like when you compare Gorakhpur and Bangalore, like how do you think it's the same? How do you think it's how do you think, like what are the differences? What are the similarities?
So the difference is Gorakhpur is I think a tier 3 city.
Okay.
Bangalore is a tier 1 city.
Okay.
You can get everything in Bangalore.
Right.
Every amenities is available. The similarity is I think the people.
Okay.
People everywhere in India are like same. Like even though our language is different, our food is different,
Right.
but on the base level everyone is same. So the interaction with people, everyone is friendly. So I think though the culture is different, but the people are same.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice, bro. Bro, so you were just mentioning food, no?
Yeah.
What are the special dishes that you guys make over there? Like that we wouldn't have even heard of.
So have you heard of Litti Chokha?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we in Gorakhpur you can get that.
Okay.
So it's popular overall India. So I wouldn't say whatever.
I think they make it more Bihar also, no? Litti
Yeah,
Chokha.
yeah. It's like the whole belt share it.
Right.
The Eastern UP and the Bihar.
Right,
we
right.
have same food. And also
Some non-veg dishes.
yeah, so non-veg you can our non-veg chicken curry is sort of different from here.
Okay.
So you can try that.
Okay.
Yeah.
And bro, what are the dishes that you've tasted in Bangalore?
In Bangalore, I have tasted every bath there is. Bisal bath, Keli bath. I can't even pronounce, but I have tasted it.
Okay.
Idli dosa, and apart from that, the ragi balls and all. You don't get that in Gorakhpur. So
Okay.
That's
So you've tried ragi mudde?
yeah.
Okay, that's nice, bro. Okay, so what are the different sort of festivals that you guys celebrate over there? Like what are different festivals where the entire city comes in and celebrates together or something like that?
I think the festivals are same. We celebrate Sankranti, the whole the whole city comes and celebrates Sankranti.
Right.
Same for Holi, same for Diwali. Whatever we celebrate in Bangalore, we celebrate there. So
Okay.
nothing different.
Right. And bro, do you guys have any famous personalities or celebrities who have come from Gorakhpur?
So the most famous personality is the CM of UP.
Okay.
So he comes from Gorakhpur,
Okay.
Mr. Yogi Adityanath.
Right.
Apart from that, we had a very famous badminton player called Syed Modi
Okay.
at I think in 1980s or something.
Okay. And bro, in terms of artifacts or handicrafts, are there any special, let's say in Karnataka we have this Mysore silk sarees and Chanpatna toys and different things like that.
I have mentioned the terracotta things. So apart from terracotta, I can't recall it.
Okay.
It's a sort of clay work.
Okay.
I not properly know of, but
Right.
you can try the terracotta.
Right. And bro, in terms of culture, traditions, or literature, do you guys have any? Gorakhpur is a place with rich history and things like that, right?
So if you know about Premchand,
I've heard of that.
Munshi Premchand, he's a famous writer.
Right.
So he used to stay in Gorakhpur.
Okay.
And even we have a park on the name of him and small museum of him.
Okay.
You can call him poet or shayar, Firaq Gorakhpuri. So he's from
Okay.
Gorakhpur. Yeah.
Okay. What is your mother tongue, bro?
My mother tongue is Hindi.
Hindi itself.
Yeah, Hindi.
So do you guys have any different dialects or something in Gorakhpur, or
Yeah.
is it?
So in Gorakhpur side, rather than saying main
Okay.
for myself, we call it hum. So
Okay.
the hum makes it two of us, but for a single person we
Right.
call it hum. So apart from that, it's same.
Okay. Have you learned any different words in Kannada or something?
I just know Swalpa, that is Thoda.
Okay.
I think Gotila.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. All right. Bro, is there something you would like to know? I can just teach you just a small sentence, which
So-
might help you out.
I want to explore more about Bangalore. So,
Okay.
what can you suggest?
We have a lot of lakes.
Yeah.
So I feel like you must have gone to Agra Lake right
Yeah,
here.
Agra Lake, yeah.
Yeah. So there are different lakes around. Iblur Lake, the Bellandur Lake. All of these different lakes are there.
Yeah.
And in terms of museums, there are there's some Nehru Planetarium. There's also some art museums, all in the central part of the city.
Yeah.
So that you can visit. But otherwise, different places to eat. Yeah.
Also, some food suggestions, like which place should I try? Like,
Okay. Bro, wait, I'll give you one suggestion. So,
Yeah.
bro, try these military hotels.
Yeah.
So, there are a few like popular military hotels which are in Shivaji Nagar and like older places.
Okay.
But just go to any military hotel. It's like the most native thing. So, like nati, they make like nati
Yeah,
chicken,
nati.
nati biryani, like everything. So that you'll get a real taste of like the city.
Yeah.
That's nice. And bro, like, would you like to learn anything in Kannada? I can just teach
Yeah,
you
so
something
like
small.
if I want to, let's say, ask some auto driver for like a fare, or I want to go here, how can I say that in Kannada?
Okay. Like, let's say you want to go from here to Marathali or something.
Yeah.
Anna Marathaliಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು.
ಅಣ್ಣ ಮಾರತ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು.
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 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಹೋಗಬೇಕು means I want to go.
Yeah.
ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ is how much will it cost?
ಎಷ್ಟ ಆಗತ್ತೆ?
ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
Yeah.
That's how.
Yeah. Thank you.
Cool, brother. Nice meeting you, bro. Take care, bro. You too.